Hi there, I'm Dixie Marshall. As a suburban wife and mum, I love the vastness of WA, its recreation options and easygoing pace. But as a journalist, I'm gravely concerned about the passage of a dangerous law that threatens the basic democratic rights of all West Australians. It happened in May 2003 when the WA Parliament gave the state unprecedented powers to secretly interrogate ordinary citizens. You may not be aware because the government prefers it that way, but in the past 6 years, dozens of innocent West Australians have been dragged before secret hearings at which there were no juries present and no witnesses. They were ordered to reveal confidential information on the threat of 3 years in jail and massive $60,000 fines if they so much as breathed a word of their frightening ordeal to family or friends. I know of colleagues, some of whom are familiar to you, who were threatened with serious criminal charges and lengthy prison sentences for revealing what governments don't want voters to know. Current legislation allows state interrogators to use secret phone taps, email intercepts and electronic bugging devices to eavesdrop on private citizens. It sends a chilling message to whistleblowers: shut up or be locked up. Are we so afraid of corruption and crime that we need to sacrifice the basic democratic principles that enable our lifestyle choices in a free society? Do we want the shadowy world of secret interrogations and intimidation, like what occurs in the repressive totalitarian regimes? Or will you help us send a message, one that will resonate with politicians, that free speech is a basic democratic right that demands protection from political censorship? It's said that nobody wants to know a journalist until you need one. But it is also true that corruption flourishes when watchdog journalism is suppressed. Much of today's news is gathered by journalists whose job it is to separate fact from propaganda and outright lies. We do that because it's your right to know. Until shield laws are created to stop whistleblowers and journalists being treated as serious criminals, our basic freedoms and your right to know are in grave peril. Please help by signing our online petition at www.waja.org.au. Thanks for your time.